Supreme, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies so blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the darkest night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The color of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people growing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They really saying I love you. I hear baby cry, I watch them grow, then I learn much more than never know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.